Let's talk SEO. What is crawling and indexing? The basics unveiled. Ever wondered how search engines like Google find and organize all that internet magic? Well, you're in for a treat. Join me on this SEO adventure as we dive into the nitty-gritty of crawling and indexing, the unsung heroes of the web. Just like an adventurous spider setting out on a quest, web crawlers start their journey from a set of initial web pages known as seeds. These seeds act as the starting point, guiding the crawler to other pages through the web of hyperlinks. Picture these crawlers as skilled acrobats gracefully navigating the intricate web of interconnected pages. They follow hyperlinks from one page to another, making strategic decisions on which threads, links, to explore next. As our digital spiders scuttle along, they meticulously collect trinkets of information from each page they encounter. These trinkets include the page's content, metadata, images, and other relevant details that help search engines understand what the page is all about. Just like respectful guests, web crawlers adhere to a website's rules, often outlined in a file called robots.txt. This file tells the crawler which parts of the website are open for exploration and which areas to avoid. Our diligent crawlers don't just collect information, they organize their treasure trove in an index. Think of the index as a well-organized catalogue where each piece of information is carefully sorted, making it easier for search engines to retrieve relevant results. The journey never truly ends. Web crawlers make regular pit stops to check for updates on previously visited pages and discover new ones. This ensures that search engines stay current with the ever-changing landscape of the internet. Like a spider spinning a new web, crawlers prioritize fresh and updated content. They pay attention to pages that are frequently updated, ensuring that users receive the most current and relevant information. Like a spider spinning a new web, crawlers prioritize fresh and updated content. They pay attention to pages that are frequently updated, ensuring that users receive the most current and relevant information. Crawlers are mindful of website speed limits, ensuring that they don't overload servers with too many requests. This courteous behavior helps maintain a healthy and harmonious internet environment. The web is dynamic, and our digital crawlers are quick to adapt. When websites undergo changes, such as structural modifications or new content additions, crawlers take note and update their records accordingly. This adaptability ensures that the search engine index remains reflective of the current state of the internet. These web crawlers are not just skimming the surface. They take deep dives into the content of web pages. They analyze text, images, videos, and even the structure of the page to understand its context and relevance to user queries. Beyond traditional web pages, crawlers explore other digital realms, including images, videos, and documents. This broadens the scope of search engine results, offering users a diverse range of content types. Our global web crawlers are multilingual. They navigate pages in various languages, ensuring that search results are not limited by linguistic barriers. This inclusivity enhances the accessibility of information for users worldwide. Web crawlers pay attention to user behavior signals, such as click-through rates and dwell time. If users consistently find a particular page valuable, the crawler takes note, contributing to the page's overall authority and ranking. Security is a top priority. Crawlers are cautious and avoid pages with security issues, such as malware or phishing content. This helps maintain a safe and secure online environment for users. It's not a one-sided affair. Webmasters and website owners can communicate directly with crawlers through tools like Google Search Console. This collaboration allows them to provide insights, request specific pages for crawling, and address any potential issues. These digital spiders, with their charming adaptability and precision, play a crucial role in shaping the landscape of the internet. Not all pages are created equal, and our savvy crawlers know that. They prioritize content based on relevance, authority, and the likelihood of meeting user needs. This ensures that search engine results are not just numerous, but also genuinely helpful. With the increasing prevalence of mobile devices, web crawlers have adopted a mobile-first approach. They prioritize crawling and indexing mobile-friendly pages to enhance the user experience for those accessing the internet on smartphones and tablets. The digital landscape is ever-evolving, and so are the technologies that power websites. Web crawlers stay ahead of the curve by continuously adapting to and discovering new technologies, ensuring that they effectively crawl and index modern web pages.